I miss Booms. She was inviting me to her son's birthday party. You are only starting on your path to success. I hope so.
Sweet. Wow. Could roll me out of here.
Chinatown.
Now the Panda Express one.
Tastes like a
I don't know
vanilla
what
cookie.
happened. It's dark. It's
brown. What's up, guys? So today we're having Chinese food because, oh my god, it's delicious. And I really wanted it from this other place. I've already tried like so many.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to go to the one that gives you the little soup in a couple days.
Yeah.
Because I really want that place. She has Panda Express, double honey walnut shrimp. They're chafa noodles. Let's just compare noodles.
Mm-hmm.
Can you guys know. You guys know Panda noodles. We got some ragoons from Panda. They're $1.95 for 3. I got some teriyaki chicken. What is right here?
It's green bean or something like that. Green bean chicken.
Oh, okay. Green bean chicken. I don't see any green beans, but they're in there. Teriyaki, half and half, rice and chow mein. What is this? Sweet and sour pork? Or chicken?
Yeah. No, it's pork.
Okay. I wanted pork. And then barbecue chicken instead of barbecue pork. I have my favorite sweet and sour. Pat gave it to me. I have some teriyaki sauce right here. Just gonna put a little bit. And then this is my favorite. This. I'll just put a little bit right here. But yeah. Pretty much she'll eat all that. Yeah. And then noodles.
Noodles, yeah.
It's backwards.
What is?
This?
Oh well.
I don't mind.
Their noodles are so good.
Phenomenal.
Mm-hmm.
This is what I was craving today. Shout out to everybody who was in my Instagram live that day. About 8 people wanted Chinese food. My friend William is obsessed with
Chinese food.
Mm-hmm.
Like mukbangs or just like eating
to eat it, like 24/7 any day of the week.
Good.
Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. I really want lemon chicken.
What's that?
It's this kind of chicken, like this, but you put a lemon sauce on it. Oh my god, I want it so bad.
From there?
They have it in Texas. I've never seen it here. And then also Mandarin chicken. I used to get that in Ontario. Phenomenal. Best chicken I've ever had.
It's so good.
What am I gonna talk about, Pat?
I don't know.
That sushi video, we didn't even. We literally just ate the whole time.
It was so good though.
Phenomenal.
I don't know where to put this.
What is it?
To dip.
Do you want me to pour this out?
What?
This?
Oh, I don't want you to waste it.
Why
don't you pour out your sweet and sour like on top?
You don't need it for
Sounds
that?
spicy, right? What do you mean?
Oh, you know what? It's because I like it on the rice.
Oh, okay.
But that'll make me eat it, so we'll give these away. Here. Ta-da! Thanks. Ooh, this rice though. Oh, I just like threw that across town. So when we're going to that buffet pack, I had a dream about it.
Oh, like on a Wednesday.
Mm-hmm. When it's like empty, like lunch.
Mm-hmm.
I miss Booms. She just invited me to her son's birthday party.
When is it?
It's probably just gonna be them.
Mm. You turning 1?
Mm-hmm.
It's already been a year.
I know, right?
The
I
heck?
haven't even met him. Oh my god. She was like, he needs Ninos.
No.
It?
Finally.
I don't know. it might happen. I might be a Nina.
Aww.
I promise if I'm the Nina, bitch come over every day.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna eat cravings. She's making ramen right now. I just saw it on Instagram.
Like fresh ramen or just like regular?
She's making like I don't know if it looks like stew type. Could have been carbo, but she's putting rice cakes. You know,
rice cakes change everything.
When they're good, rice cakes. She just had some last night. She's like cravings.
Yeah.
Oh my god! I hope she comes over all the time and like enjoys our yard with us.
Mm-hmm.
And her little baby, little swing. I'll put the baby swing just for him.
Mm-hmm.
You know the piece?
Yeah.
Oh. Like, I want him to have the freedom to run around like Boy.
Mm-hmm.
We just let Boy do whatever he wants.
Literally, like
throw the cat out the window. Mm-hmm. Throw the cat out the window. I'm just kidding. But you know.
Yeah.
I miss my brother Matt.
Yeah, like a lot.
We should be getting the vaccine soon. They said the 15th it opens up for everybody.
Okay.
That's tomorrow. So.
Would you get it or you're not sure?
I'm going to get it because of your dad. I have to.
Yeah.
But I don't want to.
Yeah.
But I will.
Can kids get it? Like the babies? Not that they would, but I'm just saying.
I don't know. I don't know if that's a thing. But kids bounce back quickly, so there's no point.
Mm-hmm. What? You don't like
This is a very soy-y teriyaki. It's not thick.
Mm-hmm. The girl where we got the food looked like Kim Tai, like her friend.
It looked like Michelle.
Mm-hmm. And she sounded like her. Like she sounded like Kim Tai.
She recognized me last time I went in there, but this was before mask.
Mm-hmm.
So I told Pac, maybe she didn't recognize you because you had a mask. I don't know. We'll check. Woo! I love this shirt. It's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, when I was editing, I forgot to put a comment. I'll do it when I'm done. My sushi video just went up and it had the lines of the cheeks.
The lines? Oh.
What happened is...
It was so bad.
I put concealer on the bottom. I put it on my nose, I put it on my forehead. A little boop. And then right here, 2 lines. But I was walking to my room from the bathroom on this side of the house. And I was grabbing the foundation. So it already dried. So as I'm putting my foundation and then we filmed, I had 2 lines like this perfectly. Unblended. I was like...
Could you see
told
it?
me way after.
Yeah, I didn't recognize it until after. I was sitting next to you and I was like... Because I didn't see it.
You saw it in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm.
It was after filming, after everything. I'm like, oh, so now I have to comment on it. People are probably like, what the hell is wrong with her face? I'm gonna have my phone. I was gonna check.
I can check. Haley's getting Chinese food too.
From here?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, can I have one of these?
Let me check your video. And you've seen all these.
The cream cheese in there was very seasoned.
Mm-hmm. Oh, good though.
It was interesting. Different.
Mm-hmm.
We eat them so often here.
Yeah.
They taste different. I'm gonna check what that is. Just because I'm curious.
Mm-hmm. I make ours with soy sauce and garlic powder.
And sometimes green onions.
Yeah, but
Celine doesn't like green onions.
yeah. One time I made it, she was like, "Oh, I don't like those." I was
They're like, what? I almost lost my meat. My hands hurt. Still.
Mm-hmm.
Not as bad, but still.
Mm-hmm. Was fine.
Yeah. Tell you, bro.
Can hear Shannon.
Shannon is mopping. His mop.
Roomba.
Robot. I don't know. That's super helpful.
Huh.
The Shannon and Chad.
Mm-hmm. Like, really?
It just, we put them at 8 o'clock at night. One goes, and the other one goes. I don't have to do anything. We wake up and it's clean.
Mm-hmm.
And it's right when Mike Dyson took a shit, so.
Yeah.
It was my fault, so I'm not even gonna.
But we kept dropping it.
No, but.
Oh,
the
water? Yeah. Wait.
Turf used it when it was still wet, but it's my fault. He didn't know.
Yeah, we didn't, tell anybody.
We just left it dry in impact room and hit connected and used it.
The one time people use it.
Nobody ever
vacuums except us.
So, when we turned it on, it was like bubbles. Oops.
Don't mind me.
They're already sending me another one. It was my fault though, but whatever. Like just the parts.
Like the top part?
Yeah, like the motor part.
Not like all the little...
Not the whole thing.
Okay.
Like not the canister, you know? It's the back part. You remove the battery, and you put the new one, and then that's it. You put the canister back on.
Mm-hmm. How's all your meats? They're good?
These two are bomb.
Mm-hmm.
This one's okay. This one, it's like, I don't even know it was green beans. They're all on the bottom.
When I saw her scooping it, I was like...
You're like, where's the green beans?
Yeah.
You should be like, more green beans than chicken. I like vegetables a lot.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't look like it right here, but I really like barbecue chicken versus barbecue pork. Sometimes the pork is more dry.
When you were little, did you pick out every single thing out of the noodles? Just me.
I never did.
Now I love them. But when I was little,
Cabbage is 10 out of 10.
I literally would pick it every single piece out.
I never did that. I think maybe because I grew up eating cabbage, so it wasn't weird.
Yeah. I grew up
The only
eating
thing I
beans.
didn't like, I told you, was tomatoes.
Mm-hmm.
I did not like cooked tomatoes up in my sopa, up in a piece. I'd pick it up because it was mushy. Now I know it's like, oh, it's just a tomato.
Just tomato.
Whatever.
Yeah.
I think like when you're kids,
Mm-hmm.
you're just super texture.
Like Sonia.
Yeah.
But the thing about her is she changes up. So.
Oh, lately?
I hate that. Because I'm like, oh, you don't like that. And she's like, yes, I do. And we're like, you literally never eat it. Like, sometimes she'll ask for ranch. And we're like.
Right, wait, what? So good. Giving me some walnuts?
Yeah.
You don't like the walnuts, huh?
No.
That's so weird. You like sweet, so it's weird.
They're just so like nutty.
Nutty?
Mm-hmm.
They're a nut family. Walnut.
I
But no, but I thought you would like it because it's sweet.
Mm-mm.
I'll help you with that. Sure.
I'm full.
Mm.
I don't even know why. Bunch of noodles.
Chinese food is heavy. Period.
Alright, I'm gonna open this real quick. Ooh. I have a hangnail under my thumb. Can't open it. Look at it.
Oh, that's so painful.
I can't get it out. Find the road to happiness by helping others. Oh.
You are only starting on your path to success. I hope so.
Sweet.
Did you say sweet?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet what? Like
No,
that's
like they're sweet.
Oh, the thingy?
Yeah.
You have the Panda Express one. The other ones are from the other place.
Oh.
Yeah.
Maybe this one will be nicer.
Huh.
Please no worries. Come yesterday. Wow. Being moderate where pleasure is concerned. Avoid fatigue. What does that mean?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Sounds dirty.
Yeah. I'm like, ew.
Be moderate in dirty things to avoid fatigue.
What's that mean?
I don't know.
He'll study.
Here. We'll give him all too.
Okay.
He'll be like,
Oh, I'm full.
me too. I'm like, oh,
Yeah. That was so good though.
I don't want to eat all of these, but I just want some.
Yeah, but I want all of them.
I really like these juices with the rice.
Dude, juices with rice is amazing.
Okay.
It's always so good.
Okay. Oh.
It was a short video.
That's fine.
Oh, I don't care. I'm sure. Ooh. Wow. Could roll me out of here.
Chinatown. Do they sell bowls?
I think so.
Cause like I would want the rice with that on top. Like, no noodles, just. And I'm not even a rice person.
You really aren't.
You are, huh?
I love rice. It's my go-to.
So many people do.
It's so good.
It's funny because there it looks full.
Yeah.
Like over here we got dents, man. We got dents the house. That one's like, can I have a shrimp? Or is that
go
illegal?
ahead. No, go ahead.
You sure?
Just nobody else can. Those are mine.
Is there more?
Yeah, there's 2 more.
Oh, okay.
They're mine. I said they're mine.
Okay. We'll just close it.
Yeah. Like, it's not like anybody wants their noodles.
Curry Chinese.
Ew, they're black with rainbows.
I'm not wearing any.
You're never wearing underwear. This is 3 days now.
But you were there. Like, I
Oh,
texted you.
Uh-huh. And she showed up at my door like this. No reason. She just did.
I was like, hello.
I did it back.
Oh, yeah.
It's good stuff.
And she was in chonies. I was like, hey, those are the kind of underwear that I had on, and they were hurting me.
Boxers. They were boxers.
I couldn't even think. I had to pee like 4 times.
Mm-hmm.
My chonies were hurting me. My socks felt tight. Everything felt tight. Mm-hmm. It wasn't.
That's how I am with shirts. Like,
yeah, you're
right
always
now
like, it's suffocating me.
Yeah. But, like, I don't wear low-cut shirts. Like, I'm not going to go around the house wearing a V-neck. Like, I don't even own one. All of them are like this. Like, all my shirts.
It's called a t-shirt. What about this?
But they're, like, choking me. Like, I have to be like this.
You stretch them out?
Yeah. I can't stand it.
Anyways, I'm another Color Bear Chonies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Right?
I never eat these.
They're good. Now, the Panda Express one,
Tastes like
I
a
don't know
vanilla
what
cookie.
happened. It's dark. It's brown.